different.
Now, there is no doubt that the situation is a cause for grave concern, both internally as well as on the border and the line of control. In recent months, we have seen a significant deterioration in relations between India and Pakistan. We have seen a significant increase in tension along the line of control. Unfortunately, we've also seen a significant rise in militancy, resulting in far higher casualties than in recent years. All this points towards a failure, both at the level of the state government as well as at the level of the central government, to give, particularly I'll say the state of Jammu and Kashmir, a peaceful environment that we are both desirous of and that we deserve. So we hope that steps will be taken by both the state government and the central government to secure our borders and to ensure that we can live in peace.
Day before yesterday, Pakistan said that if the India will show the positive attitude towards the dialogue process, then Pakistan will show more than India. But the India should take the initiative about the dialogue process.
Initiative has to be taken by both. Pakistan cannot expect only India to take initiative. We have to, let's be fair. Prime Minister Modi took initiative. He went to Lahore. He went and attended the wedding in Nawaz Sharif's family. What happened after that? Pathankot. So therefore, Pakistan cannot expect that only India will take initiative. Pakistan also has to take. This is a situation where both have to take initiative, and I hope that Pakistan will not only look towards India for it, but Pakistan will do something itself so that the situation improves. आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
New army chief in Pakistan, and there are many opinions that things will.
देखिए अब मैं जनरल बाजवा साहब के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं जानता हूँ. उनका क्या रोल रहेगा, उनका इस मुल्क के तरफ उनका रवैया क्या रहेगा, मैं अभी तो कुछ नहीं कह सकता. अब उनको आए हुए इस पोस्ट में अभी 24 घंटे भी नहीं हुए. बैठने दीजिए उनको कुर्सी पे, संभालने दीजिए. उसके बाद उनका क्या रवैया रहता है, उनके रवैये का इस रियासत पे क्या असर होगा, दोनों मुल्कों के रिश्तों पे क्या असर होगा, वो आज कह नहीं सकते ना. उस पर टाइम लगेगा पता करने.
एक साइड से बॉर्डर पे जवान मारे जा रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं कि बातचीत होनी चाहिए.
मैं थोड़ी ना कह रहा हूँ कि आज ही आपको जाके बातचीत करनी होगी. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि कभी ना कभी आपको बात करनी होगी, और बातचीत के लिए दोनों मुल्कों को माहौल बनाना होगा. मैं सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान को इसके लिए थोड़ी ना कसूरवार ठहरा रहा हूँ. मैंने आपसे कहा कि दोनों मुल्कों को, इसमें पाकिस्तान को भी अपना रोल अदा करना होगा कि तनाव का जो माहौल है, वो तनाव का माहौल जो है उससे हम निजात पाएं और उसके बाद फिर बातचीत की तरफ.
That's why Farooq Abdullah says in Kishtwar that without Pakistan's intervention, Jammu and Kashmir issue will not be solved. Without
it is not a new thing. When Jammu and Kashmir is part of the Simla agreement, you have accepted then that Jammu and Kashmir will be discussed. It has been discussed in Agra. It has been discussed elsewhere. It was discussed in all sorts of other places. So what Farooq Abdullah says in Kishtwar is not something new.
What about elections? What about elections?
जितनी जल्दी इलेक्शन हो जाए उतना अच्छा है.